Hello, my name is Errol, and today I'll be showing you the property 3305 Eastgrove Terrace in Sanford, Florida. Let's take a look. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, and it's in a gated community, and hopefully you like it. It was built just a couple years ago, 2023. Here's the first bedroom. Here's the first bathroom. Bedroom number 2. Over here we have your AC handler. We have your 2-car garage right there. We have your laundry room over here. Here's the 3rd bedroom. And we'll head to the kitchen. We have your kitchen with an island, bar stools fit underneath there, granite countertops. We have your dining room over here, and then here's your living room. And then in the back of the house, we have your master bedroom. Master shower, master bathroom. We have 2 sinks in here. You have a linen closet in there. You have your walk-in closet in there. And then here's your toilet area over here. It does have an open patio and it's fenced in. So you got a lot of privacy back here. I hope you like this video. Again, this is 3305 Eastgrove Terrace in Sanford, Florida. Have a good day.